If MENO has paused your metabolism, I'm here to give you not only hope, but solutions. Hi, Danna Demetre, RN here, and co-author of the Eat, Live, Thrive diet. Robyn and I are going to bring a very special offering we've never done before on April 26th. It is called the Spring Body Reboot. What we're doing is combining our two most popular programs, the 10-day Change Your Body Challenge and the 30-day Jumpstart, into one affordable program. Check out the link for details. You're not going to want to miss this. Thousands of women have gotten results on our Eat, Live, Thrive diet, and with 12 live coaching sessions over the 4-week period, you are going to be poised for not only short-term, but long-term success. Robyn and I both have birthdays in June. I'm turning 73 and she's turning 60. I never thought I would feel so good and be able to stay so trim 20 years post-menopause. So whether you're in the peri phase, the middle of MENO, or long post-menopause, we've got cutting-edge science-based solutions that will work for you. And most importantly, we are women of Christian faith, and we bring the faith component of a God-centered approach to weight loss into all of our programming. So we hope you'll check it out and join us on Saturday, April 26th for this 4-week Spring Body Reboot.